Hi there, let's take a look at TLT. To see where the price goes next, we'll cover the weekly market structure, check out the short-term trend, and that way it's better so we can assess the risk of the next price move. From a big picture perspective, TLT is currently in the markdown stage of the market cycle. However, it is trending sideways. Okay, it is at a level similar to this period back in 2023 all the way to before the global financial crisis. Okay, after crazy money printing started, waves after waves, we saw this crazy markup move until the point we got to post-COVID period. Okay, when we get eventually to 2022, that's even worse. Well, one of the reasons we can look at is the interest rates. All right, so let me switch off the drawings. Look, there is a bit of time lag. Okay, there's a bit of time lag. I do admit or agree or observe. We can see whenever it's less so back in pre-global financial crisis period. Okay, interest rates climbed, and there was a drop. And when it stayed high, yeah, it climbed a little and then dropped again. And eventually, when rates came down, especially when global financial crisis happened, it went all the way to almost 0.25. Not zero yet, but technically speaking, that's not much of a difference. That's when TLT's price shot up, and it stayed low, and it continues go upwards. Even there were like drops in between, but the trend hasn't stopped. This, when rate hike happened back in 2016, or you say 15, end of 15, right? There is a bit of time lag before it actually drops. Okay? So it continues to climb. That's when it continued to drop until the point the rate hiked no more. And it started to drop again because of COVID. And that's when it shot up back to the channel bottom or even below above the channel. Okay, and now we are back to this stage where the rate has climbed so much that TLT has fallen to the previous lowest level, you can say, since 2023. And maybe even, okay, it's not the lowest because right over there, 2004, it was lower than where we are now. And now the trend or the interest rate started to drop. Look at what happened over here. When it first started to drop back in August 2007, it wasn't really doing this climb. It reclimbed to a prior high during the middle or later stage of the drop. Okay, and it really surged when there was crazy money printing announced, as well as the interest rates dropped to the bottom. So bailout plus interest rate drop, that's the ultimate booster. Let's put it this way. Now we're not at that point yet. It is flattening, but if it really starts to come down, the reaction of TLT will be interesting at that point. And if we look at the volume, crazy volume compared to the history. Look at this, right? So, yeah, we can argue US dollar prices, the trillions and trillions of the national debt. here, obviously, a lot of people are possibly selling, but there are also a lot of people buying at this range. That's why we see this crazy volume. You can call it maybe, arbitrage or whatever reason, whales accumulating. It's a combination of market participants trading at this range, whether they are expecting some kind of movements, finally confirming that TLT has bottomed out, or are they even expecting the Federal Reserve eventually will start to, instead of rate hike, they start to lower the rate. And like we just have seen, what happened to TLT when rates start to decline. So that's the macro perspective. Now, the short-term trend. And after the short-term trend, I'll show you one more thing. Here, it is still in the falling channel. Okay? So make no mistake, it hasn't exited the channel yet, even though it is very close to the 2004 low. Okay? $80 is where unmarked, but 2004 actually ended around 80.5. Okay? We are, as of today, the low today was 81.17, so around 67 cents above the historic low. So at this point, we see most significant is this volume bar, just like 2 weeks ago on the 7th. All right, look at what happened over there. It's a very narrow price spread, meaning the bulls and bears traded so heavily within this range. The candle, the wick, okay? Look at that. Instead of a massive candle, the price didn't really drop a lot on that day with this kind of volume, doubling what we consider on the high end when we take average since April. So that's something abnormal happening in TLT. Okay, the trade may be changing, or the trends may be near a change. But of course, we always follow what we observe over here. As long as it doesn't goes outside of the ceiling yet, we won't declare that it has happened. So there are dates indicated here. The first one we see is somewhere it's gone. Let's bring it back. The first one we see is around the 2nd of October. So about 6 weeks time. What's that? Usually when we have a channel and we have levels, we have these kinds of indication, what I call 2 C's. Continuation of a short-term trend or a change of the short-term trend. If the bulls manage to push the price breaking the $85 and comes to challenge the ceiling within this triangle, by that time, we would be able to witness whether the bulls and bears are going to change the trend. But that's too far down the line, right? Shorter term levels. We have this one at around $82, $83 because of those trades that happened. So back in here, 2023, October, it dropped to this 82.7 roughly. You can say 82.5, around those few cents. And last year in May, it came to test this level also. And we tested it this May. Just the past 10 days, the bulls failed to defend the same line. So this becomes the short-term or immediate resistance 82.75 roughly. And in terms of support, besides the $80, there's not much short-term reference we can get. Okay, it's already below the 2027 low. It is at the range, the current price is at where the 2024 May found resistance when it dropped to the lowest point. Okay, so this is from a micro perspective where TLT is at. And October 2nd, if we don't see an uptrend, that's the earliest state mark on the current chart pattern we can see. Further down, that gets closer to Christmas even. Okay, if we manage to climb back to the yellow line and trade towards this, the 2C's decision point is getting very close to Christmas. So what's the thing I promised to show you? It's TLT against US M2. We talked about a lot, but this thing you can't ignore. TLT versus US M2 is in a long-term downtrend. Okay? Even if there are spikes, it doesn't mean you want to keep it forever because of, money printing. So, what are those periods of spikes? I've marked it over here. That's COVID. That's 2019, right before COVID. At this point, it challenged the ceiling and it actually peaked when the crisis happened. Okay? 2015 and 16 both tested the ceiling. 2012 and global financial crisis. If I switch back on the interest rates, okay, that's the crisis period. That's the interest rates remain low. And again, this was crisis mode. So crisis, maybe depression, worry, or financial, whatever that is, that's pushing the price to blow above the descending channel. Otherwise, low interest rates would keep this ratio at the upper half of the channel. Right? High interest rates keep it at the lower half. This was the recovery period I consider. Okay, a lot of money injected and liquidity will flow somewhere else given the market dropped that much back in 2028. And now, high interest rates staying at the lower half of the channel. What if interest rates drop below that point? Okay, this is where it starts to spike above the halfway line of the falling channel. All right, so we are not there yet. Just want to move this. Trending this actually is better. I just want to let you see. At this point, the spike past the mid level. Here, we are still 375 to 2%. 2% combined with the crisis situation was what created that one. Monster spike. Okay? Likewise over here. Interest rate somewhere around 2%. So let's see what happens when interest rates starts to decline closer and closer to 2%, if it ever happens. Okay? Let's see what's going to happen to this ratio. Currently, it's already climbed higher, deviating from the channel bottom, different from October 2023. It is edging closer to the center line of the channel. All right, Remember to subscribe to see the next update, and let me know what you think TLT is going to do next. Thank you.